Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to merge and make more than one call at once, meaning group calls that you can make without programs, just by following the steps explained in this video. So, if you want to know how to make group calls without programs, watch this video to the end. But before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me, thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel, and thank you from the heart to all of you. The first step we do is go to the calling or calls application on our phone. Then we enter the first number that we are, and we want to make the call through it, and we want to merge the call through it. After entering the number, we press the call button now. As you can see here, add a call appears, so that we can add another call to that number that we called. We press add a call. After that, we choose the number that we want to add and merge it with the other calls. After choosing the number, you press call. As you can see here, we have added two numbers. This process is only for testing. After adding two numbers, it will appear to you here at the bottom. You will see merge calls now. When we press merge, you can merge the call and make a group call just by this very simple step. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.